Yo, 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 what's up? Back again, another venture. Now guess what we about to do? Jump off of a building. All right, no, we just gonna.
This might be my last video. I might not make it.
Wait, zipline. Yo, wait a minute. She told us like, Dad, let's jump off a plane. I was like, you know what? I'm afraid of heights. She's like, all right, well then let's zipline. I was like, for you, okay. Now who's the
It took me like 18 months to convince him otherwise, and now my arms are sweaty, knees weak, palms are heavy, however Eminem said
oh my God, no.
I'm scared.
No. We about to do it. All right.
God, I'm sweating.
We gonna have some nice footage, hopefully.
Maybe.
Not of the last moments.
I'm just hoping we make it at this point.
All right, let's get it.
My stomach hurts.
Let's get it. I ain't scared. I have a little bit. All right, I'm gonna have to pee. I just peed like 3 times.
All right, we're not doing this right now.
So at the top of that, I don't know if you see at the top of this building. Here we go. We about to get a better view.
You'll get confused with the power lines, but there's a zip line at the top of that.
Yo, we're here. We're about to do it. But I gotta poo now because I'm scared.
We have to pregame poop because
I don't want to get on there, poop myself. That'll be bad. Oh my God, I'm shining. Is that sweat or is that just my lotion? I hope it's not.
my stomach hurt. I don't feel good.
But take your mask off.
I can't.
Let them see the fear. Oh my God. Hey.
I don't feel good.
No, this is your idea.
Good. I don't feel good.
Here we go. Are you ready?
I don't feel good.
Let's get it.
Dun 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 dun. You see that? That's not a power cord. That's 500 feet in the air. I'm regretting all decisions. I just dropped my phone.
Yo. How we doing? Are we ready to do it?
Throw up.
Are we ready to do it?
I'm scared.
This was your idea.
I know. And my palms are like sweaty and clammy. It's disgusting.
Oh my gosh. It's not even that bad.
I hope not. It's the
500 feet.
highest and the fastest zip line.
Oh.
Oh my God, I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Are you ready?
Oh man. Yeah.
Now we gotta figure out how to get upstairs.
Yeah. I think it's that sign, right?
Well,
I don't know.
it's called a voodoo.
Voodoo zip line. Oh, no.
She's looking like she's a track star.
51st floor. 51st floor.
51st?
Yeah.
That's how many floors 500 feet is?
Apparently so.
Push the button. Come on. Let's don't chicken down now. Yeah. Right there. Let's get
Here
it.
we go.
Oh my God.
It's a window elevator.
51st.
Oh, but it's a wall. You
It's a
can't
nightclub.
see anything.
Are we
No,
gonna?
it's not going to be a wall for very long, I don't think.
Ooh,
Oh my God.
that's
Oh,
fast
oh,
as shit.
oh, look at it. Look at it. Stop. Oh my God. Somebody crashed right there.
Oh my God.
Shit, no. This
Oh my God.
I told you this.
I don't want this.
I paid for this.
I don't know why.
Look.
Oh my God, what fucking floor are we on?
2.
Can we stop?
Oh my God, this is getting high.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
You need to come down. She's up. Oh!
There's another wall. Good luck.
It's hot.
Take care of my baby.
What?
Take care of my baby. Take care of my baby.
I don't even know why you freaking out. All right.
Don't look down.
Oh my God, my leg, dude.
Are you ready to go?
Mommy, no!
Are you?
My leg, dude.
Are you? She got a broken leg. Are you ready to go?
She's literally anchoring to me.
Come on, let it go. Let it go. Come on. Gee. All right, it'll be fine. All right, watch your foot. Watch your foot.
I see it.
Okay. All right, let's
Okay.
go. Let go.
All right.
Oh, it's so
It's a
bright.
nightclub. Oh, this is where the nightclub.
This is where the nightclub's at. So it's Voodoo nightclub at night, Voodoo zipline in the day.
That's probably why you gotta be over 21 at night.
Oh, right. You have to be over 21 or older 7 p.m. and later to do the zip line. There's the zip line.
It's right here. Come on. Get up. Jake. Jake. Come on. Come on. Come on. My man is like, yo, this is easy. Let's get it. You can't keep waiting on us.
I'm shaking.
Stop shaking.
Dad, I can't control it. It's like my mouth.
Warming up. Warming up.
Alright, so you want to take everything out of your pockets?
I got nothing. I'm ready. I got it.
Nothing in the pockets.
Come on. You got it? You good? Oh.
Love you. And that's their seat. This is their seat. My baby's scared. Let's look at this view. They're setting up the chair. So this is the view of Las Vegas from the RIO ZIPLINE launch area. Oh, they're going in. They're loading up.
There's no strap?
This is,
Oh my God.
there's literally just a seatbelt, y'all. So this zip line goes over the roof of the building, of the,
Is that supposed to be loose?
Oh my God, don't even play.
Stop!
That bit right there.
Here they go, here they go. Here they go. Just a fellow customer saying something about being loose. It's not, that's just a fellow customer. Love you! There they go. I can't zoom in no more. Oh, there it goes. They did it! And it's done. They did it. Is there someone on the other end to help them out?
No, they go backwards.
Oh my God, seriously? I don't think they know that. Oh shit! Did y'all know you're going backwards? Y'all did it! Woo!
Oh, this is it?
That's it.
There's no strap?
No, that's engineering for you.
Oh my
Oh my God. Giovanni.
Dad, I'm reconsidering everything.
Oh, hey, do I keep this
Put
receipt?
in your pocket.
Hold on.
Oh, we can put that in our pocket.
Yeah, it's paper.
Oh my God, G.
So it's like, does this stay with us?
What?
This.
No.
Ow.
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
Hold on. That's it?
What kind
Wait
of
a
ride
minute.
would
Wait a
that
minute. Wait a minute.
Is that supposed to be loose?
Oh my
Oh my
God.
God, don't even play.
Stop.
Alright, so the video's right in front of you. It also has
Oh.
audio.
Oh,
my
shit.
God.
I gotta close my eyes. Ah, shit. Wait a minute. Oh
my God.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yep. Yep. You ready?
Here we go.
Oh.
No.
Oh. Oh my God. Oh.
Alright.
Oh my God.
Y'all got this. Make sure to pull the brake at the end, okay?
What?
Where are we going? Oh, we gotta go back. We gotta go back. Oh, don't look down, G. Take us back up, dude.
I can't. Oh my God.
This is not. You're not going back.
Oh my God. I gotta go to the bathroom.
saying she has to go to the bathroom. I don't know if y'all can hear because there's a helicopter just going around. Thank y'all. They're walking. Did y'all know you were going backwards?
No, I thought you just stopped. Come on. You ready?
It's a little warm to be doing all that.
I'm scared as hell.
I said, is there someone on the other side to help them? He's like, no, they come back. I was like, oh!
It stopped.
Oh!
It stopped like midway. It like went super slow and then it said.
I was like, what? What's going on? I was like, where's the people that, I'm thinking, where's the people that let us out? What do you mean? Why are we going backwards?
I said, I don't think they know that. They said, they'll figure it out.
Hey, we did it. We're good.
All right. Don't throw up on me.